Not all plants are created equal. Some pose a real danger to our environment, and we have to stay one step ahead. That's where drones come in.
Today we are in Kingsville, Ontario, conducting the final stages of a research project associated with kudzu, an invasive woody plant. We're fortunate to be able to test drones or UAVs at this site. We're located on the north shore of Lake Erie, and the slope where the kudzu has infested is incredibly steep, and it is also unstable as it continues to erode. This poses survey challenges and also safety challenges as far as ground surveys being conducted at this site. So UAVs enable us to assess the population as well as the site characters without sending staff into that steep slope. Kudzu is an invasive woody perennial vine. It is a problem because it has the capacity to spread vegetatively, and not only does it spread quickly, it can spread horizontally and climbs vertically. So basically it forms a blanket over all the vegetation, suffocating it and choking it out. You can see here has a large lobed leaf with 3 leaflets. The leaflets range from 7 to 20 centimeters in length. It is also quite distinct as it has reddish to purple clusters of flowers that are prominent in mid to late summer. It's distinct because of its vertical as well as horizontal growth habits, and it can be distinguished by how quickly it spreads through the landscape.
If you suspect a kudzu infestation, or if you think you found another plant pest, report it at inspection.gc.ca/pests. Together, we can prevent the spread of invasive plants and plant pests, with a little help from technology.